Hello friends, welcome back to a new video of this channel. Today we are gonna see I made a image downloader and how it can download any type of image from the website that you already made a list of the images and it will download it one by one. Also there are some lot of more functionalities. Okay, let's see the application, how it will work. First of all, double click on the application and it will run. The interface is like this. So you need to select a output folder. You can select from anywhere. I made a desktop and on the desktop you can see there are new images or downloaded images, something like that. Download images, I choose this folder because this folder is selected. After that you can select the number of images you want to download for each item. Suppose you want to download 5 images for each item, or you can make it 6. Okay. So here you have to put the list of images you want to download. Suppose you want to make a machine learning model and you need some data set of cat, dog and other animals like that. So suppose let's say cat, then comma, dog, then comma, horse. Like that you can make many more. Okay, so for cat, dog and horse, each will have 6 images. So total 3 into 6, 18 images will be downloaded. Also, you can take all the pictures in a single folder or you can make individual folder with the name cat, dog and horse. So let's make a single folder for all images. And after that you can provide the scaling also. So what scaling will do? Scaling will resize all the images with the same width and height. Whatever you will define here, like 128 into 128 is the predefined setting. I can change it to, suppose I want to make all the images 300 pixel by 300 pixel. Okay, then I need to start the download button and it's all done. You can see downloading images of the cat is showing here. You can check live also. So go to the desktop and go to the download images folder. This folder we selected. So right now it's downloading the cat images. You can see 2 cat images is already downloaded. My internet speed is not so good, so that's why it's not downloading very fast. If you have a very good internet, then the download will be more faster and it will work very smoothly. Okay, so 6 images already downloaded for cats. You can see all our cats images, so it's working pretty good. After that, you can go back to the folder and you see here dog images are also being searched now. Sorry, not search, it's downloading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 images already downloaded. You can see 5. Okay, now horse images are downloading. So after completing everything, all the images will be converted into one folder. Okay. So you can see in the download images folder, all images are saved in the same folder. And if you want to check the dimension is 300 into 300. This one also 300 into 300. So all images are 300 into 300 pixels of size. So this application is very much useful to download a specific type of data sets for machine learning. If you want to make a classification model for fruits or for flowers or animals, you can specify any type of images in this list one by one with the help of spacing of a comma, and it will down, and you need to put the number of images here. You can put it 10, 20, 100, 200, whatever you want. Okay, so according to that it will download everything. And if you make the sound alert, it will also make a sound alert that all the jobs has been completed, so that you can put it in download, you can do another work and it will notify you that your download is completed. You can come back to the computer and start working again. So guys, if you think this software is necessary for anyone, so please like the video or you can subscribe the channel for new video like this. Thank you.